We get ready to go to the store. My wife wanted to go to the store without me, but I said no, because Good morning, Philippines!
Ito na guys, sobrang aga. Maglilinis tayo dito sa ating CR kasi po na-vacuum ko siya kasi matagal-tagal na din hindi na-vacuum. And also gusto kong labhan itong mga area rug natin kasi alam nyo na kapag palagi natin ginagamit madumi at saka maganda ngayon maglaba dahil sobrang init sa labas, madali siyang matuyo. Kaya yun, kinukuha ko lang yung buhok. Alam naman natin mga babae, ang buhok na ang daming mahuhulog. Lalo na ako, sus ang daming buhok na mahuhulog guys. At saka itong jacuzzi namin, hindi ko na rin palaging ginagamit. Saka may abog na, so kaya kailangan kong linisin. Nakaligo na tayo guys. And then, mag-dry tayo ng buhok sa labas kasi mainit eh. It's very humid, right? You been out? My husband too is showered. Namit good. Anyway, so punta kami sa labas. And I'm going to do my hair outside, okay? Nagtambay ako sa labas para ma-dry itong buhok ko kasi nga galing ako na tayo naligo. Pero basa pa rin. Parang konting sobrang init sa labas pero pa rin yung buhok ko. Okay lang yun. Anyway, so sa Pilipinas grabe yung ulan doon sa Davao, no? Nakikita ko sa mga ka-Facebook na mga news yung mga vlogger. Nakikita ko ang daming ulan, ang nagbaha-baha na doon. So dito naman sobrang init, grabe. Init na init.
Hi guys, we get ready to go to the store. My wife wanted to go to the store without me, but I said no, because she'll go and she won't get everything we need. Me, I'll go, I'll see something. I say, oh, we need this. Oh, we need that. And then she'll get mad. So we're going together, and then she can complain when I buy stuff that she don't want. But there's a face.
You're going with me. Okay, you stay in the car. That's all the plan.
Oh, where's my brush?
Oh, it's in... hold on, let me get it.
You threw it out of my car.
No, it's not. Guys, he complained a lot, guys. Tignan niyo, he is complaining.
She don't like her friends to see that I use a hairbrush. Really? Throws it on the floor. On the floor. On the garage floor, she throws my hairbrush.
It's not in the
Because it's embarrassing.
No, in the wood.
It's embarrassing that her friends see that I use a hairbrush.
Seriously, honey, it's a lot of here. I just put it over here. It's not in the wood. This is how big it is. Okay, guys, let's go na, guys. Kasi oh my God. Anyway, guys, instead of me grocerying, ako man sana yung mag-grocery, kasi sumama naman si Mr. Sumama na siya. Naghanap ako ng condensed milk para sa maybe over there sugar cream organic did evaporated. No, it's gonna go bad. I have few. Huh?
What's the expiration?
Next year, July. I don't want to get more because I know I'm not using this a lot. So, hello, I don't really know this. Coconut flake. Why big sugar?
Hummingbird food.
Oh my God.
It's for hummingbirds.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Delicado. Dami. No, let's go. No. Ay, thank you. Andito na tayo sa gulayan. Dito tayo sa gulay. You always like that. They're expensive, 20 bucks. It's better to get this freaking jasmine rice. That's 20 bucks. Bili na naman siya ng creamer. Always, every time na magpunta kami sa tindahan, creamer na naman. Look, tignan nyo yan. How much? Ang bilis namin, no?
Guys, I went with my wife. I didn't get a lot, but every time I did grab something, she said, "Oh, we don't need that." So like,
because we really don't need it.
It's not true.
Like sugar, we don't need it.
We need sugar for the hummingbirds.
Hummingbird have a lot of sugar.
they don't. They need sugar. And we need flour, but she said, no, we got flour. So we'll see. Every time she tells me that, I find out we have none. She goes, oh, I thought we did.
We have a lot because I got some garbage from the garbage.
What? I don't want garbage flour.
Yeah, but that's what you've been eating.
Hi, hon.
Yeah, but that was really a nice pick from the garbage. That was not open and it's nice. But anyway, so he got me rice.
I got the rice because she...
Even I have a lot of rice.
Don't matter. She needs the rice. I got 2 little boxes of pasta. She got mad about that.
Because we have a lot of filo pasta in our basement.
That's for macaroni salad. Specific pasta for that. So, yes. So she got mad because she didn't want that.
I'm not really getting mad. It's just like I'm used to this thing.
I got a couple packs of turkey that was on sale for the cats and dogs. And a couple packs of ham.
I told him not to get it because we're on diet. My rice, it makes me fat, and the turkey makes him...
I don't even get to eat it. They eat it. Are you freaking kidding? You don't eat it, and I don't eat it. The kids eat it.
So what's the point of getting that? The dog and the cat. But the dog and the cat, they have their own food, so we're triple
because no
buying.
matter what I eat, they want food from me. So this way I have some food to give to them.
Okay guys, so we're on the way home. I'm driving, obviously. And my husband is enjoying the view. And I love driving with him.
Not true, guys. She yells at me. If she's driving, she yells at me for smoking. If I'm driving, she yells at me for driving.
Guys, you always think my yelling is normal, oy.
Oh, yeah. She's right. It's normal.
No, my voice sounds yelling, guys, but because I'm from Mindanao, Surigao del Sur, we have only very angry voice and always like, you know, I think it's our family thing also that we're like sounds bad even though we're not mad. But people think that I am mad, but it's freaking normal the way I talk. My husband should know that.
You should.
Oh my God, thank you Lord for raining. Thank you for the rain. I want you to keep raining. We want our not septic. I was thinking also, honey. Huh?
Thinking what? How is that? Branch?
Yeah.
No, go backwards.
I'll go. Okay.
Alright guys, my wife wanna go out into the rain because she don't wanna just pull up to the mailbox. She said, no, she's going to go play in the rain. Let's see. I don't even see her out there. I don't want to get the camera wet. I don't see her. Now she's over there.
Thank you, Lord. Andito na kami sa driveway, guys. And then, sobrang ulan, guys. Wala akong makita. Look, tignan nyo naman ito. Ito yung napakaganda kapag umuulan and then papasok ka. Oh, leave it there because there's important thing that I wanna see over there. Morgan Stanley. I'm happy. It is rainy. God, umulan kahapon, umulan ngayon. Ang sarap sa feeling. Hi guys, my husband and I, we are so perfect. My husband and I are very perfect, okay? So perfect. Anyway, so gagawa tayo ng mango shake, not smoothie. My husband doesn't clean it really good.
Milk?
You don't clean it good.
I did clean it good.
It smells like funky. So, but mango shake because hopefully this mango is sweet. What are you gonna say?
You could put ice and milk.
Yeah, I do. That's what I do. No ice and a little condensed and milk. Do you have milk?
Yeah, check it before you use it.
Yeah, the milk was new, right?
Yeah. Check.
So, masarap kasing mag-smoothie, o diba? So, naalala nyo dun sa Pilipinas, guys, sa mall, yung smoothie place, like a smoothie like drinks, like mango, lemonade, guayavano shake, and what else? The one that I like so much is the mango and also the coconut. Oh my God. The coconut is the best. The coconut nut is a giant nut. Eh?
You like your mango sour?
So, lagyan natin ng condensed milk na carnation. Oh, diba? Konti lang, konti lang. Konti lang. Paborito ko to noon, guys. Sa bata pa kami. Sus, pag mayroong ganyan, ang saya-saya namin. Alam nyo bakit? Masarap yan sa kanin. Lagyan ng sugar konti. O, diba? Yun. Sarap. At saka sa Bear Brand, lagyan natin ito ng ice at konting milk. Shake lang natin siya. Oh, diba? Masarap ito kasi kahit may ulan siya ngayon, usually maganda ito ting-init ba? Ting-init talaga. Okay. And then, ilagay natin sa baso. Tika mo na guys. Hala, hala, hala. Ang smoothie, naging smooth ka. Hala, oy, bagyo naman. Maasim. Maasim dahil sa mangga. Hala. Hala, the wind. What are you doing, hon? What have you been doing?
Look at the trap. What are you doing?
I'm cooking that you can eat.
What are you cooking?
The mungo beans and make your salad of cucumber because you buy cucumber and you don't even do it, love. You know we have a lot of cucumber. Yeah, but I don't want to wait until this go bad. Because cucumber will go slimy with, you know.
Well, if they're not cut open, you gotta hold up longer.
Yeah, whatever. It's made and I want you to just... What? I still have to cook the lamb. Oh my god, it's never-ending cooking, baby. Ang taba-taba ko na talaga, guys. Hindi na talaga mapigilan. Han, I'm gaining a lot of weight. Yes, I am. I guess I have to slow down, though. I have to put little rice, meat, and then vegetables. Okay. I think yun yung gawin ko. Just slowly. Not like crazy because ang lucky ko na, well, actually, ako naman, pag magkasakit ako, hindi ko naman pinag-pray na masakit. So, pero, inano ko naman na kapag talagang kinokontrol ko yung kain ko, lalo na yung bread, papayat ako talaga. Madali akong pumayat din kapag gustuhin ko. Pero ngayon, parang okay pa naman yung katawan ko. Mabigat na nga lang. Mabigat talaga. Hindi man mabigat. Hindi mo man ma-feel yung bigat. Maglinis sana ako, diba? Wala ng vacuum bag. So, ngayon, nag-stop na lang ako doon sa paglilinis. So, bukas na lang. Kasi wala naman kaming ganap. Ko. Ang haba na ng buhok ko, guys. Pero, pahabain ko naman siya, guys. And then, pahabain. And then, trim siya ng V-shape. Parang slash. So, yan yung gamit. Pag sobrang haba na, i-ano ko siya, i-V. Anyway, so yun lang. Luto lang ako pa. So na guys, yung ano namin, luto natin. Ito yung munggo at saka gulay. Saka ito yung dinner natin, ulam natin, gulay at saka lamb. Ayan. So yun siya. Sobrang init. Ito yung kanin ni Mister. Sobrang init, ay. Nakatulog ako dahil sa init. Yung init ba nakakapagod, isipin yung init. Sobra. Parang nakaupo ako dun sa labas, gusto kong matulog. So pumasok ako, natulog. Nakatulog ako ngayon, almost 6 o'clock na. Ngayon pa ako nagluto ng ulam. Well, kanina lang ito, and then ito ngayon kasi nagutom na si Mister, guys. Ito na yung ulam natin. Masarap siya, guys. Basta lamb. Kasi paborito na namin ni Tami. Paborito namin ni Tami. Isa ito sa paborito naming karne. Steak and lamb. So, kaya yun. Ito siya. Sarap talaga siya kapag mag-brown. And then, hiwain ko siya, guys, para mag-flatten. Para maging flat. Katulad nito, oh. Maging ano siya. Hello guys, ito na naman tayo guys, nagluluto. Kawawa naman yung bra ko guys, nahuhulog na, pakitulong naman nga. Salamat sa inyong panunood ha. So yun, busy sa pagluluto, pati yung bra gusto nang umuwi sa Pinas. Salamat guys, kita-kits tayo sa uulitin. Salamat sa pag-click ha. Kiss, thank you so much. Pero yung bra ko, kailangan na ba yung itapon? Matagal naman yun, old, 100 years old.